Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Itachi here, bringing you guys the episode 2 of the game analysis series that we are doing. This video is gonna be there every single week. So, anyways, today we are going to be reviewing Tejas' OP tactic gameplay. So, let's bring it on. So like each and every custom we dropped Milta because this is our drop location, and even before we start looting we secure the car like always. So Tejas does that job, and I'm really sorry for the bad quality. I haven't been recording, it was just Tejas recording. So we landed Milta and we started looting here.
41 same marks again. Last week, this week, collided.
But last week you took more time, no?
Bacha, physics -1 bacha. -1.
Yes, that was our IGL, Yuxi Ravan. I don't know if every single IGL is like that, but our IGL is like that. Instead of guiding our team, what he does, he tells about his physics marks in the NEET exam, -1. And that is not a humanly love. Trust me, that is not.
-1 bacha. -1.
So we continued looting in Milta and we found out that we didn't have sufficient loot. So we decided to go to Milta Power while we do a 2-2 split between me and Moltres and Ravan and Tejas. And guys, I forgot to tell you, anything that you watch in this video is just for entertainment purposes. Please don't kick me out of clan. Please. So as you guys watch Tejas, let me explain why I did not record my part of the video. So basically what happened was, last night before this game, I did something that I should have not done. So I went high. I went really high. I thought I was recording the whole time just to find out that I was not. So as you guys can see, we got a flare gun. Sorry, I got a flare gun and I shot it and I looted the drop. So Tejas did not get any loot. He did not get any AWM or anything. So anyways, there was a hard zone shift and Milta was right next to us. So we made it to Milta just to find out that the zone moved across to the other island. So we had to move to the other island. So we decided to get to the other island using a boat than the car, because obviously we were scared of bridge campers and we are not experienced in dealing with bridge camps, because even though we have landed Milta a lot of times, we aren't really good. That is the thing. So once we make it to the other side, we actually find a lot of people swimming and choosing the same path, and Tejas was able to knock a few, but I don't know why he didn't include this in his clips. And yeah, that's what happened. So once we made it to this side of the island, we just found out that there were people every single where. We were surrounded. People were in the other island. People were, to the right side of Tejas, where you can see number 1 and number 3 on the map. That is me and Moltres, I guess. And Ravan actually, we did a 2-2 split. Me and Moltres and Tejas and Ravan. We held that side of the bridge while these both held this side of the bridge. And as you saw, Tejas got an amazing knock while someone tried to fire on Tejas, and I knocked him. And that was the kind of advantage that we get.
Moltres ತಗೋ, Atex ತಗೋ, ನಂತರ Moltres ತಗೋ.
Give it this.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
First.
2x ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಝೋನ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು.
Well, watch back.
So as you guys can see, there were people in this blue house and that was outside zone. So it's an easy picking. So we waited for them to rotate inside zone, and we found out that they went the other way where me and Moltres were watching the back, so we couldn't spot them. And a car shows up. From the bridge, and we tried to knock them. And trust me, I was really close in knocking them, but I couldn't. This is the car that came, and I tried to knock them, but I couldn't. And we again go to a 2-2 split with Moltres and Ravan this time, while me and Tejas cover for each other to push into them. You'll see what happened next.
For next zone.
Wow. So basically that is the most beautiful 3x scope spray that you will ever see in your life. So get that into your eyeballs, burn it and be happy. So basically what happened next was there was a whole squad right in front of us, and you can see me and Tejas were trying to knock one so that we can get we can try and finish the squad. So Ravan and Moltres, we played a 2-2 split here for a reason, and we did this because Moltres and Ravan would flank total left and they would make an angle. While me and Tejas would hold the spot, we would pressure them because Tejas is a sniper and he has an AWM. He could probably tag them, and trust me, I never get kills, but I'm good at tagging. Okay, so basically we smoke and we get the call that we had to rush right now because it is now or never, and because the zone was pushing in and we were quite far away from the zone, so we did try to push in and they were inside zone. And now, you know what, I'm not going to talk. This is just beautiful sniping from Tejas, and you just watch the sniping.
Near the check, near the check.
Oh, near the
I tagged him. Heavy tagged him. Paste all yours, bro, all yours. Open the standing for this.
इधर Moltres zone का नहीं नो.
Okay, if I just had an M4, no, please only be.
जी रोले.
Is Jack?
गिली नोडेली गिली नहीं गोले Moltres.
So we were able to finish the squad really easily. You might call it a third party, but still we had a head-on-head engagement, and we still won the game because of the 2-2 split. And in my opinion, your leading assaulter should do the split because he's the most experienced, and in our team it is Moltres. Even though he's not experienced, he is a frontline assaulter, and he just flanked and he was able to get that last kill supporting me and Tejas. From here on out, there was just 8 people alive, and trust me, there is nothing much to comment
One
on.
more guy,
And Tejas just wipes people, like literally wipes people with his AWM. You can just watch the action. I'm just not gonna talk.
Guys, this check also.
Watch out!
Mortars were knocked. He went offline now. Come in, Mortars, come here.
knocked
Come
him, I
here.
knocked him, I
Okay,
knocked him.
yeah, go. Then that with you. Where you mark?
That's it. On top and mark. See one guy is coming now.
Mark the location.
Very low. That
GG.
then G.
So that is it for this video, guys. So if you like this type of content, please do let us know in the comment section below. You guys have been showing a lot of love and support. Please do the same thing.
-1 बचा. -1.
Shit,